That's all right, Lefty. You can go ahead and...
Hey, Papa!
Okay.
Hey, Papa! Come on, let's go!
I wonder if it'd be louder with bigger wires.
So it's your business.
Come on! I need you to get in the chair! Come on! Come on!
This is Mercury Control over, A-OK, and out.
Come on! No, I'm not going to. Come on, sit down! Let go a bit! Take your feet up!
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, central Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles east of Walnut Creek State Park, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage